Today's video is about this Dolphin pool cleaner. I bought it about 3 years ago. I noticed a couple of days ago it's not really working as it's supposed to. I see it moving around, then stopping. I see it climbing up, and then it just stops or turns on its belly. So I figured, you know what? Let me open up and see what happened. So I decided to open up, and you'll be surprised what I found. I wanted to share that with you. So first I began with pulling it off my pool, but most importantly, you got to remove the basket. You see, the basket already filled with some debris, but believe me, it took me a couple of cycles just to get those debris. This pool cleaner, if you own one, it doesn't take long for it to fill up the basket. I had to cycle a couple of times because I didn't know what was wrong with it. I didn't expect the robot to be acting like that. So, it's very simple. There's 2 screws, and those 2 screws, comes off, and there's no seal or anything like that because this unit is designed to be in water. So I didn't see any seal or anything like that. So these pieces just comes right off without an issue. Only other screws I have is for the propeller. So as you can see, I have some debris already in the propeller which has to be removed, and I think that is my problem. Look at that. Oh my God. You see, how is this fan supposed to be spinning, especially when this is the fan that is used to collect all the debris, and this is the fan that this cleaner uses to move around as well. Of course, the wheels are turning, but this fan sucks all the water from the pool while it's cleaning like a vacuum cleaner, and all the debris go through this into your basket. So if it's jammed up like that, only God only knows what could happen. So I think I found the problem. This blade is jammed up with all this debris, and I have this branch stuck there. So that'll be it. I mean, if there's nothing else wrong with it, which I'll find out at the end. So since I found so many debris, so many leaves and branches stuck up over here in this fan or propeller, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. So this screw is stainless steel. It's connected to a metal stem of the motor. So with a little bit of moving around, I was able to pull the fan blade out or propeller. Look, there's some more on the bottom. So this is what I had to do. I had to clean all this out. It looks, I don't know. It's mainly branches and maybe 1 or 2 hair also there. Since I have it open, I'm going to clean this propeller very well. And I also want to clean the housing as well, because you don't want to open it again. Once you opened it, you want to be able to close it. This thing, I was kind of worried. As a matter of fact, I started searching for another pool cleaner because I thought maybe, there we go, these electronics burned out again. Maybe something happened. So I was actually looking to buy one, and these things could be pricey. This particular one, I don't know if they are still selling it. I was going to get something else, but I'm glad I was able to find the problem. Well, I at least hope that was the problem. So now that most likely this is the problem, because this unit do work, so I'm kind of confident at this point that it is going to work. So before you close up, you want to clean off all the debris, whatever the dust was there or dirt got into where the cover, fits in place. So I had to clean it and then make sure it fit in place. You don't want to crack the plastic. The housing is completely plastic. So as you know, with plastic, just be careful. And the screw, I believe, goes into another piece of plastic. So you don't want to make it too tight, just enough to hold it. And also, you're going to have to open it again, maybe end of this year or end of this season or next year, because this will repeat. I'm sure this will happen. So while I have it opened, I took my garden hose and I'm spraying everything else out just to give it a good clean look or good clean start to go with this test that I'm about to do. And I like to flip it over, as you see, because sometimes you have wire or branches or something that might be causing other problems. So in this case, I don't have any issues other than those small branches and those pine tree leaves causing problems here. I just want to make sure there's nothing else that I need to worry about. This way, when I do dump it in the pool, I don't have to worry about whether or not this is going to work or not. So now we're ready for the test, and let's see how this pool cleaner does. I'm confident it will do good, at least better than what I had it. I need to get this pool open up quick. I've been trying to clean the bottom of the pool for a couple of days now. And now, look, it started working. Oh, God. It's actually climbing the wall, turning upside down. That's good. And look, I miss looking at this robot doing this for the longest. I'm glad it's doing it. And you know what? I'm confident that it's going to continue to do what it's designed to do at this point, and I should be able to clean my pool in no time. I just saved thousands of dollars. Well, at least $1,000. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.